The stock market is rigged by Wall Street, but now for the first time ever, you can copy trade Wall Street using rigged AI. Basically, what we do is take extremely complex option flow and turn it into simple, easy, actionable alerts. If it's a bull, it means it's bullish. If it's a bear, it means it's bearish. You're looking at all of the data from 9/2 to 9/30 the month of September and played around with it a little bit. We're going to go live and just see what we can find. The first thing we're doing right here is looking at our edge alerts. These have probability, which means they can consistently continue to win at the same rate. So anytime you see this blue with a blue background on our platform, that is good. I mean, this is a 100% win rate. You didn't get any in the past 30 days. It gets absolutely smashed, right? Minus 62.16%, and then returns 600 at the end of the session. That was 9/11. That was a crazy, crazy day. But let's just look at all of them. So we're looking at every single edge alert that we sent out for SPY, QQQ, and IWM. Don't know how many this is going to be. Move my big head over. Let's just run it on basic first. Basic in our profit stimulator, 2 contracts, 20% stop loss, 100% take profit. If you're using Webull, you can just one click. You could have it preset, do it every single day. Let's click run on these 278 and see what we get. Wow, that was fast. Good job, YOLO Swaggin. Shout out YOLO. He's a dev, crushing it for us. So you're investing $77,233. I mean, this is trading a ton of alerts. 278 trades, 556 total contracts, and you are returning 12,918. P&L, 16.73%. You are green. That is trading every single thing, not looking at anything else. Now, if we move this over to advanced, and the default setup here is going to be 100% take profit for one contract, move your stop loss to break even at 20%. Stop loss on runners, minus 20%. You're going for 200% plus. So just doing that, and all we're doing is leaving one runner and moving our stop up, you're moving up to 20% plus $15.7 thousand on the month. And you guys can come in, if you're a member here, user rigged, and kind of play around with this. So maybe our take profit to 300 didn't really do too much. What if I move our take profit here to 150? That was bad. So you should probably keep taking 100% when we can, letting some run. And this is the exciting thing. We're looking at every single alert regardless of win rate. But when we play around with this, I'm sure the numbers get a little bit better. So right now we're looking at win rate 50% or higher. Scroll down, move fat head. We're at 184 alerts. It's 200 something before. Boom. You're at 26.10% P&L, 13.6K on the month. And that's even better, right? Because what was the other one? We're at 22%, $11,000. Just clicking the button, get the alert. It says 50% win rate. It says edge, minus 20%, stop loss, 100% take profit. You're getting 22% on the month. But when we move that back down to zero, let's see what it was. 16.73. The fact that this is green at all, positive for both, absolutely incredible. Let's move this thing up even further. Let's just say, hey, we're cautious. We're like a guy who plays poker and only really does anything when they have like pocket aces or something crazy. Win rate 75%. We're looking at everything using KTR. get 49 alerts. 25.29, not bad. Switch over to advanced. Oh man, this is where you start to see some movement. 38.73%, P&L plus 6K. You're trading $15,554 worth of contracts, 98 of them in total, and you're getting 38.73%. That's at 300% take profit. What if we go to 4? Doesn't really change it. What if we go to 5? You have 1 or 2 that that moved up, but let's go down to 200. 30%. So it's a really good reminder. Let those winners run as long as possible. The other thing we like to look at here, and everything else we've been doing live, this we know we're confident. 50%. And what really worked, and we'll show you, is bulls 0 to -3. So that means you are $0 to $3 below whatever the opening price is for the session. And let's just look at bulls only here. So if we go 0 to -3, move face, we get 32 alerts. You're at 48.85% P&L. You're making $5,000, right? And even if, let's just change this and let's just say, hey, we only have enough capital to trade 1 alert. It's actually even more. It's 52%. So you're trading in total $5,087.20 worth of contracts, and you're returning 52%. $2,649.88 P&L. And when you're looking at the session, day by day, right? You break even, you get nothing, right? Break even. A little bit of money, decent. You lose $30, win, lose $14, win massively on the 18th, win massively here again. Oh, it's just one contract, but boom, boom. That's $2,649 just trading 1. And this is bulls below the blue. The interesting thing was, if we, let's just say we switched it, so we're going higher, right? You're $0 to $3 higher than the opening price. Let's click it. And let's get back to 2, take profit on 1 like we were before. 7.57% plus $444. What is this? 0 here means none of our runners got to 300. None of them got to 200. Or one of them got to 200. 150. This was bad. This is just like a function of what happened in September. So we're going to do a lot more things to like bring this into the application. The strategy playground is brand new, but these trends are going to be available to you shortly. And all this is saying is, hey, you get a bull that says edge, it's below the blue line. I can even bring our win rate down. You take the trade, 40%. That's it. Trading every single one. And let's get a little crazy here. So right now we're looking at edge alerts. Those have probability. We've seen that type of option flow happen so many times that we can say, hey, it reliably wins, returns 100% during the session, 40% of the time. What happens if I just bring everything in? Killing ADV, it'll be going soon. Bringing everything with 0. Obviously, this is a ton more alerts, okay? We have a ton. We're going to run this on 459. Let's keep this at 200%. And let's click the button and see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Still positive. Still positive. You're trading way more. but it's like not great. I mean, it's crazy that you still made money doing this, literally trading every single alert regardless of the win rate. Let's see if we move this win rate up to 50%. That dropped us down to 60, 127 alerts. Click it. You get a little bit of a bump, but not much. And the reason why is we want to stick with edge alerts. That's where the money is. That's where the probability is. That's where your edge is. And that's 48.82% in the last 30 days. Now, the interesting thing is, so kind of what you would think, right, is if bulls below the blue line are making money, then bears above are probably making money too, because you would think, oh, price goes up and then it comes back down. But when we isolate that out and look at bears, zero, let's go 0 to 3, and edge 50%, 18. That is the smallest positive return we have found all day. Let's move this a little bit higher. So we're going 0 to infinity. Do we even get any more alerts? We don't. Wow, not a ton. Let's just move this win rate to 0. Let's look at everything and just see how it performed. 548. Oh. Well, it was looking good. Still positive? Unreal. Unreal. But overall, when we're looking at it, right, it's like, hey, what performed better? 0 to 3 bears? 10.25%? Or 0 to -3 bulls? 43.13. Fantastic. It's been a crazy session, and this is, or not session, month. This is the last thing we'll get into because we're kind of rambling a little bit. Bears below the blue absolutely crushed it. So we're looking at, well, can't do math, 100 something alerts, 103, click run. So you're getting 34.37% there. And basically the gist, the summary of all this is markets trend, markets change, obviously. I mean, stocks only go up, but they do. And in this next month, we're going to do a really awesome job of bringing these trends to you so you can win more trades. But the way to view the system is like, dude, if you just traded every single edge alert for the month of September, 2 contracts, you are making $15,000, 18.83%. What? And that's not even considering all of all the things that go into this, volume, blue line, some other black magic stuff. It's an incredibly exciting time to be here at Rigged. Thank you for watching this video. I know it was a long one. We've got so much cool stuff coming, but it's really awesome to be able to share these results with you guys. If you are a member here, come in, check out the playground, because chances are there's going to be something that you discover that will blow everyone's mind. There are other things to look at, right? If you look at a bull, let's look at -1 to -3. And let's bring volume down to 110% max. That's typically where we see mean reversion. Look at bulls only. Looks like you get, 29 alerts. Click run. 38%, that's pretty good. Move it up a little bit higher. Let's see. 37, $3,523.84. What's not to love, right? That's perfect. I mean, could it be higher? Yeah, but you are making money using the rig system, copy trading Wall Street. Tons of updates, more along the way. Thank you for being here. I know I said that before. Get in, come to the strategy playground. You find something epic, don't tell anyone. Just share it right here. Have a great day and keep it extra frosty no matter where you are in the world.